Here is a fun way to play with food that's mom approved. All you need is a raw egg, a glass plate, water, and a bowl. Get started by carefully cracking an egg in half and emptying it out, and then gently dip one of the eggshells into the bowl of water to get the outside of the shell wet. Now set the wet eggshell on a glass plate and tilt the plate from side to side and front to back. The motion of the plate will kickstart the eggshell into a spinning, rotating motion around the plate. It might take some practice to keep the eggshell from flying off the plate, but eventually you will get the feel for it and your eggshell will continue spinning and going in circles on the plate. If you're brave, you can try setting the other half of the eggshell on the plate to see if you can keep them both spinning at the same time. The eggshells spin thanks to the water molecules sticking to the plate and the eggshell in a process called adhesion. The layer of water that forms to the plate and the eggshell reduces the friction between the two surfaces and allows the eggshells to spin and dance around on the moving plate. If the shell wasn't wet, then the shell would just slide without spinning from one side of the plate to the other when the plate is tilted. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. It really helps, so thank you so much.